My name is Ajay Chogtu. I have graduated from the Indian Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, and at the moment I am working with Vortex Solutions. Now, what our company does is we do rainwater harvesting solutions for a lot of institutions. Okay, and now for the next quarter hour, I will be helping you guys out to understand what rainwater harvesting is and how it is useful for us. Let me give you your handouts.
Thank you.
So, So there are two basic things that we will be doing during this time. Firstly, it will be what rainwater harvesting is, okay? Then what are the components involved in rainwater harvesting? Now first and foremost, I would like to just get to know from you guys, what do you understand from harvesting? Any one of you? What do you understand from harvesting?
Collection.
Collection, okay. Anything else?
Keep a reserve.
Keep a reserve, okay. Normally we find this word harvesting used a lot with agriculture,
Yes.
farmers, yes? Right. So similar to that, so like what you guys have said is absolutely right. So we are going to study about rainwater harvesting, so something like, how to reserve rainwater, okay, how to store rainwater. Now, first and foremost, we know that water is scarce. There is a scarcity of water. Even though most of the globe, more than 3/4 of the globe is filled with water, but still there is scarcity of water. Do you know why?
Because 70% is ice.
Okay. Right. And
Available water for use is only 3%.
exactly. So basically what we need to do is that since it's a natural resource, what we need to do here is that whatever is available, use it to the maximum, use it optimally as much as you can. Okay? So what we need to understand here is that we are going to understand what rainwater harvesting is doing for us. Basically it's going to store water for us, it's going to keep a reserve of water for us. Normally it's just the rainy season which is enjoyable to most of us. But at the end of the day, the water is just going down the drain and not being used. First and foremost, we need to save it. Okay? Now, there are two major ways of saving it. How do we save it? Can you please turn to page number 3? So, here you can see how the rainwater is saved. There are just two basic, very simple points for this. Store it, and the second one, recharge it. So normally when you're saying recharge, what do you mean by recharge? What strikes your mind as soon as you say recharge?
Refill.
Refill, okay. Anything else?
Reuse.
Reuse, okay. Anything else? Also something like bringing back to life, like you're being recharged, something like that. Okay. So, like I've said here, store it and recharge it. So first of all, store it. Rainwater all over. There is rain. There are some cities which have rain like 24 hours a day, 365. Like it's like all through the year. Now we need to make sure that this is stored. Okay. There are lots of ways and means to store it. How you store it is we'll talk briefly about it. And the next way is to recharge. Now when you're saying recharge, what do we mean by recharge it? It is, like we said, trying to bring it back to life, trying to reuse it, rearrange it, okay? For that we need to understand one very simple thing.